I think what's really exciting about being in the fitness industry, not only being in it, but also being a female in my 30s, is what I have the capability of impacting so many lives with what I have honed in on as my niche in the strength and conditioning section of fitness. And overall lifestyle of endurance, the mental, the physical side, and what it takes to overpower those long enduring feelings of pain and discomfort. What I want to share in this workshop and what I'm really excited about is taking out the competitive side between this oversaturated market. And I've learned from so many of the best coaches around this country, and I've pulled things and learned things, mistakes that they made that I avoided, and mistakes that I made that I can help others avoid, and really help people find their niche, because we each have a gift. It's very specific and it's very different from one another. And if you can really hone in on it and learn what it is, then we are not in competition with each other. You have something specific for a certain type of person, and nailing down what that is where you're going to truly find your success.